Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Vivo model and system update because features differ by build. Once confirmed, charge above 50% and enable developer options only if your model documentation requires it. Next, open Settings and go straight to Game Space or Smart Sidebar, depending on your UI. Tap into Game Space to see installed games. If you don't see Ultra Game Mode listed yet, make sure the game is added to Game Space so the mode can attach. You now open Game Space, pick the specific game, and choose Game Mode, then Ultra Game Mode. Once toggled on, configure performance. Raise CPU and GPU priority for smoother FPS, but balance heat by avoiding maxed out settings. Then adjust network optimization for lower ping and enable Do Not Disturb for uninterrupted play. Also enable touch sensitivity and background app freeze to reduce interruptions. These settings directly change resource allocation. You finish by saving changes and restarting the game so Ultra Game Mode applies cleanly. Make sure to watch temperature and battery drain for the first session. If the phone overheats or throttles, reduce performance sliders. If mode fails to activate, clear game space cache, reboot the device, and if needed, reinstall the Game Center or affected app. That step often resolves conflicts. Finally, make incremental tweaks until you reach a stable balance between smoothness and heat management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.